In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Google Ads headlines that get clicks. Before your best headlines can actually run, there's one quick but important prerequisite: verifying your identity in Google Ads. I'll walk you through the process so nothing holds your campaigns back. Start by going to your Google Ads account and signing in. From the left-hand menu, open Payments. This is where Google centralizes billing details and identity checks. Next, open Payments Info. If your account needs verification, you'll see a prompt labeled Verify Your Identity. Click Verify Now to begin. If you don't see that option, verification isn't required yet, so you can continue managing your account and you'll be notified when it's needed. Before you upload anything, double check your payee name in your payments profile. It must be correct and it must match your government issued ID exactly. Name mismatches are the most common reason for rejection, and even small differences like missing middle names, initials, or swapped order can trigger a failure. If something is wrong, update your payments profile first, save the change, and then return to verification. Choose the ID type you'll submit. A passport typically works best, but a driver's license or national ID is usually accepted as well. Make sure the document is valid and unexpired. When you're ready to upload, take a clear photo or scan of the ID. Ensure your full name, date of birth, ID number, and your photo are all fully visible. Use good, even lighting to avoid glare. Keep the image sharp with no blur, and include all edges. Don't crop important details. Avoid screenshots. Upload the original image file. Once it looks crisp and complete, submit it. Review times can vary. Many verifications finish within a few hours to 48 hours, although some cases may take up to 5 business days. You can check progress under Payments, then Settings, then Verification. While you wait, it's best not to resubmit unless Google asks, as that can restart the clock. When your verification is approved, the status will show verified. At that point, you can add or use your payment method with confidence and, if applicable, receive payments once your account reaches the usual threshold, such as $100. With this step complete, you're ready to focus on crafting headlines that earn clicks, knowing your account is cleared to run. Keep your ID handy, double check your name, and submit a clean image for the smoothest approval. Let's get your campaigns moving.